Hello, I'm Hisham Abouzeid, consultant gynecologist. In this video, we'll talk about the benefits or the potential benefits of estrogen hormone replacement therapy or HRT. There are some proven benefits that it can control menopausal symptoms. The common symptoms are hot flushes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, or other wide range of symptoms which might be related to menopausal hormonal effects, or it could be due to other factors. These wide range symptoms include difficulty to sleep, forgetfulness, or what people describe as brain fog, or easy fatigability. So if these symptoms are related to lack of estrogen, then HRT is likely to improve them. Other potential benefits of hormone replacement therapy are reduction in the incidence of some diseases, including coronary heart disease, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease, especially if estrogen therapy started early, reducing risk of colorectal cancer, and probably reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes or new-onset type 2 diabetes, as it seems that there is an association between new-onset type 2 diabetes and low levels of estrogen. However, HRT should not be a primary tool or primary medicine to be used as prevention of type 2 diabetes, but used for its other proven benefits. So you have to decide whether HRT is good for you or not. You need to weigh the benefits or the potential benefits against the possible side effects of HRT, which we'll talk about in our next or another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.